Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this out there on the World Wide Web. This is Jeremy Geelan for SYS-CON TV. We are here at Cloud Expo, New York. It's the 8th International Cloud Expo, and to prove it's international, we have sitting next to me Wim Gerrits of NetYce. Welcome, sir.
Thank you very much, Jeremy. Yeah.
Now, where have we come in from, Wim? I think I can guess. What about the viewers?
Well, we're coming from Holland. We are on the Dutch Pavilion here on the Cloud Show.
The famous Dutch Pavilion with some of the really best and most active players in the cloud.
Yeah, we were an innovative company, a country, and have a lot of companies that want to go and contribute to the cloud. So that's what
it's been fun having you. Now, this is funded by the Netherlands government, which already shows them to be forward-looking.
Yes, it's partially funded indeed. So everything is organized by the organization, funded by the Dutch government, and so yeah, we just have to show up and everything is there. So.
Well, let's try now, and now you've shown up, get you some business. So where does NetYce play in the cloud ecosystem, Wim?
Sure. I mean, NetYce is a software company. It's actually a startup company around a very mature product in the network automation space. So we have a software solution that is doing network automation and provisioning. So we can actually automatically configure networks without even the engineers and network engineers touching it. So that we use our platform and it gets totally automated. So to give you a bit of background, 10 years ago we started custom developing this for Rabobank, a large AAA bank in Holland. And they were so happy with the way we actually top-down approached the whole network automation problem for them that they over time actually had all the networks run and operate via our platform. So they've has gained them a lot of cost savings, but also very improved time to market for new network services. And if you're looking at the cloud, there's a lot of tools, that will do server provisioning and application deployment to the cloud. But if you're looking at the network layer, there's really not a solution out there in the market. So we did last year a market analysis, had analysts look at our product, and it turned out that it's not out there, and that's why we decided to set up the company last year, and currently going to market with it.
So it's a spin out, really, but you've got a tried and true product that's been used on that bank.
Very much so, yeah.
It's not a bad. I call that a running startup. That's you're almost on the move from day one.
Yes, indeed. We have. The customer is there with about 6,000 devices, 6 different networks ranging from data center to the local banks that are fully automated by a tool. Rabobank is actually proven to be a very good reference customer, which is very unique. They are actually inviting customers to show. So it's in their interest and in our interest that other companies as well start using our tool. And so we've been looking at partnering with the existing IT management software players like IBM and CA and companies like that. They could actually add to their existing portfolio our tools, or go directly to companies like the hosting companies that don't have that. They actually do manual network configuration themselves, and on top of that, they deploy sort of the cloud solution that you'll be seeing here.
But you can do both. Presumably, you could both have the big partners, and you could maybe have the direct channel.
Yeah. So we are here actually ending up next month with our business planning cycle on how we should take this further. Should we go for venture capitalists for the direct strategy, and look at how far we stand with the partnering strategy.
So these are interesting times for you then, personally and professionally.
Very much so, yeah.
Well, we welcome you to Cloud Expo. I'm sure we'll see, I hope we'll see the Dutch delegation on the West Coast where different customers perhaps hold different ecosystem. I must ask now to see if that's in the plans. Otherwise, in any case, we thank you for joining us in New York.
Thank you very much so.
And we thank people out there. They've got to go to NetYce.com, presumably with a Y. So NetYce.com, and see what Wim Gerrits has been talking about. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much,
and thank you for following us on the World Wide Web.